Welcome to CSE 160, Introduction to Programming with Python, using Python. We're going to install PyCharm EDU. PyCharm is one of the environments that we'll use to write Python programs. We'll use several environments, but this time we're going to install PyCharm on MacOS. So as usual, our first step will be to go out and just type PyCharm EDU, and we'll come to a web link that says PyCharm EDU JetBrains, and that will say download for free, and we'll click it. And if you're on a Mac that uses the Intel processor, you will want to have the .dmg parentheses Intel choice here for the type of file, and then you just click download, and this will go to your downloads folder, and we say save. And it shouldn't take too awfully long to download, maybe 30 seconds. I don't know. It seems to be moving along here. So now, like I said, PyCharm is one of the environments we'll be using. We'll be using another interactive kind of Python environment called Jupyter, or Jupyter Notebook. And then we'll also use the classic, very command line looking PyCharm idle environment, IDLE. And our file has downloaded, and I can access it here, or I can go to downloads and I can find it there. Either place would be fine. So I'm going to double click that, and it's verifying it on the network. And is as typical for some of these things, all I have to do is grab the PyCharm edu.app or app extension that grabbed this little icon here and move it over to applications. And having done that, there we go. I can close that now. I can go to anywhere with that. But now I can go up into the search bar, the Spotlight search, and I can type PyCharm. And down here, the second choice says PyCharm EDU app. So if I click on that, I will get something that says open this. The very first time it will ask you if you're sure you want to open it, because it's from the web. And so let's do a first project here. And up here under location, you'll see you can name it something. I'm going to call it project_1231, and all the other choices I'm going to leave as defaults. And in here it's users JL Cooper, that's my account on this Mac. PyCharm projects is a directory, and so it's PyCharm projects, project under 0001. We say create. Now, when you're installing, you may see a little screen that comes up and saying, are you a student or an educator? I actually uninstalled PyCharm EDU from this computer so I could install it again on this video. But it had asked me, and I said I'm an educator. So they have this sort of introductory code here, but I'm going to create a different program, and I'm just going to go up here. You can see this pound sign, or octothorpe as it's called, and this indicates that everything else in this line, now it's in the first character, everything else in this line is a comment. It has no code whatsoever, so I'm just going to give it the name, you know, project 1231, and say .py or something, and we can, you know, hit return and put in another comment line if we want, and so on and so forth. But I think what I'll do here is I'll put in the usual print statement, print quotation marks hello world, you know, the classic program, and maybe one more line. I'll just put another string out there. You'll learn what strings are. Hello, this is PyCharm EDU from MacOS. Now I can save that, or maybe I may not have to with PyCharm, so I guess I don't have to save it. And when I see this green arrow in this gutter, they call this little column here the gutter, I can just press that and it'll run, and down in here an output window appears, and we can say, it says hello world, hello, this is PyCharm EDU from macOS. So that proves that we can install PyCharm EDU, and that we can run a program in it. And we'll do more in this environment as part of the class, but this will at least get you installed if you're on a Mac. All right, take it easy, and we look forward to seeing you next time. All right, so take it easy. Bye.